Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's episode I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add voiceovers to your videos. Like maybe you made a video and you want to talk about the video. Yes, I'll teach you how to mute your main original video and add voiceovers, like add your expression. Or maybe you downloaded someone else's video and you know that before you can get a free copyright on your channel, like if you don't want to have issues of copyright on your videos, that you uploaded someone's video and you want to re-edit it, you know, you have to add some voiceovers, you have to add some voice notes to avoid your videos to not to get copyright. So this is what I'm going to be teaching you today, how to add these voice notes, how to add your voice so that your voice will be coming out instead of that person's video's sound or video's voice. So because a lot of things has been going on this app, which I am telling you people, instead of uploading someone's video, I will still advise you to recreate or do the same thing that person is doing instead of taking someone's video. One day it might give you copyright and you will not get out of it, or one day it might give you unoriginality of content and you will not get out of it. So the best thing is when you take someone's video, try and do a voiceover, or you re-edit it, put your face, talk a little bit, so which I'm going to teach you how to do it exactly on this video. All you have to do for me is to like this video, share to others to get the same information that you are getting right away, and don't forget, if you're watching from YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. If you're not subscribing to my channel, what's going on? Share to others so that this video will go viral. Let's dive into today's topic. Guys, look at where I am tapping my hand on CapCut. When CapCut opens, you're going to go ahead and click on new projects. When you click on new project, select the video you want to add a voice note. Let me select one video here. Let's look for a video. Okay, let's use this 20 seconds video. So you tap on it and click on add. When you add it, it will come like this. You will see add audio under this video that you just uploaded. You will see add audio. You can see that option, add audio or audio. You tap on it, you will see voiceover at the end of the screen. You tap on it, then it's either you press and hold it and start talking, or you click and allow it to count like 1, 2, 3. Then you start recording. You start talking until that video finishes, or you just explain exactly what happened on that video so that your videos will not get copyright. Okay, you know, when you keep on talking, when the video ends, then you end it. Guys, don't forget that at the end of this video you have to remove the copyright. Now tap on this video and then hide the volume. Hide the volume. Tap on that voice note and hide the volume. Like you see volume, you hide it. Then click on the on the other video and lower the volume so that the original audio will not play, but yours will play. Okay, so let's listen to what we did. So as she dey clap like that, so dear we near the phone tell and say na im mama na im dey call. So the husband, so you guys have seen it, you have seen the voiceover. Now after you have added your voiceover, tap on that ending and remove the CapCut. Okay, then you're going to look up there. You're going to see select the range. Like normally I used to select 720 for easy saving. I'll now click on there. My storage is full. I'll have to go and delete some videos on my phone. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.